Namaskar. I'm Dayan Gaude, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today I will discuss the class equation of a group from the group theory. From algebra of MSc post and semester post. As an application of Bose-Einstein theorem, we derive an equation which is called the class equation of a group. Let G be a finite group and X be a finite G set. Let O1, O2 dot OR be the different R orbits in X by G. Select Xi belongs to Oi for each I, then X being the disjoint union of O1, O2 dot OR. We get summation of modulus of X is equal to summation of coordinate of y I is equal to 1 to r is equal to summation of xij modulus coordinate of xij for I is equal to 1 to r. Define xg is equal to x belongs to g x such that xg is equal to g for all g belongs to g. Let y denote the one element orbit that is y is equal to coordinate of singleton xi. Then y is equal to y belongs to x such that y is equivalence to xi. The is equal to y belongs to x such that y is equal to xi g for g belong for some g belongs to g is equal to xi g such that g belongs to g is equal to singleton xi. Thus y is equal to singleton xi if and only if xi is equal to xig for all g belongs to g. Hence the set xg is the precisely the union of one element orbit in X. Assume that there are yes one element orbit in X under G, then coordinate of X is equal to S plus summation of coordinate of xig for I is equal to r plus 1 to r, and therefore coordinate of xi is equal to coordinate of xg plus coordinate of xig I is equal to r plus 1 s plus 1 to r. Now again coordinate of xig is equal to index of g over gxi. From 2 we get coordinate of x is equal to coordinate of xg plus summation of g over gxi. Now for a finite group G, we can consider G as a G set under conjugations. Xg is equal to G inverse Xg for Xg belongs to G1. This is we get coordinate of G is equal to coordinate of Xg plus coordinate of Xig. I is equal to S plus 1 to R. We will consider the set Xg in for Xg is equal to X belongs to X such that Xg is equal to X for all G belongs to G is equal to X belongs to X such that G inverse Xg is equal to Xi for all G belongs to G is equal to Z of G. Substituting the coordinate of Xg is equal to coordinate of Z of G, we get coordinate of G is equal to coordinate of Z of G plus coordinate of xig summation of I is equal to S plus 1 to R is equal to coordinate of Z of G plus coordinate of index of G over Gxi. Let Ni is equal to G index of G over Gxi for each I. Then Ni divides coordinate of G for each I. Hence coordinate of G is equal to coordinate of Z of G plus nx1 plus dot plus Ni. Coordinate of G is equal to C plus Ns plus 1 plus dot plus Nr, where C is equal to coordinate of Z of G. This equation 5 is called the class equation of the group G. Recall that for any group G, X belongs to G, the set C of x is equal to G inverse xg such that G belongs to G is called the conjugate class of equation class of x in G, and we get the n of x is equal to G belongs to G such that G inverse xg is equal to x is a normalizer of x in G. Therefore, n of x is a subgroup of G, and coordinate of C of x is equal to index of G over n of x. If xg denote the orbit of G under conjugations of G containing the elements x, then xg is equal to y belongs to x such that y equivalents to x is equal to y belongs to g such that y is equal to xg for some g belongs to g is equal to y belongs to g such that y is equal to g inverse xg for g belongs to g is equal to c of x. Then coordinate of xg is equal to coordinate of c of x is equal to the index of g over n of x, and from this coordinate of g is equal to coordinate of z of g plus coordinate of xij or summation over I is equal to s plus 1 to r, where xij represent the orbit in G under conjugations by G containing more than one element. Hence, from 5 and 6 we get coordinate of G is equal to coordinate of Z of G plus summation of index of G over n of x, where C contains exactly one element from each conjugate class with more than one elements. Theorem: let G be a finite group with the coordinate of G is equal to p raised to n, where p is a prime number, then the center of G is non-trivial. Suppose that coordinate of G is equal to p raised to n. To prove that Z of G is not equal to singletony, we know that the class of equation coordinate of G is equal to C plus nr plus 1 plus dot 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 plus nr, where nr divides coordinate of G for each I, and ni is equal to coordinate of the equation conjugate class in G, and G is equal to coordinate of n of G. Ni divides coordinate of G, Ni divides P raised to n, therefore P divides Ni. This is implies that P divides Nk plus 1 plus Nk plus 2 dot dot plus Nr. Against P divides coordinate of G is equal to P raised to n. Hence P divides coordinate of G is equal to Nr plus 1 plus Nr plus 1 dot 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 plus Nr. We get P divides C, P divides Z of G, Z of G greater than 1, Z of G is equal not equal to 1 is singletony. We know that if coordinate of G is equal to P and P is prime, then the G is cyclic and hence abelian. In the next, therefore coordinate of G is equal to P square and then also abelian.